Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your user permission or if you want to assign someone at specific permission that they can access only some certain features to managing your books, managing your finances or your business or cash flow or workflow or anything or transaction invoices. So for that you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account. So once you are on your QuickBooks dashboard, you can find the gear icon at the top right corner. Simply click on it where you can find your company, and from here you can find manage users. Simply click on manage users where you will be able to add any user you want, and if you have added one you can simply click on this edit option here where you will be able to change their roles. Or you can do is you can add a new user from here, like for example I'm going to add a new user like how to. I have added a first name and last name and their email address from here, so I'm going to add an email address from here like once you have added the email, you will be able to change the role from here or set the role from here. You can find there's different types of roles that will allow this user to access some features, certain features that are related to that role. Like sales manager will help, will get access of your transactions here and invoicing in your sales section, and some customers and lead section, and also the report section, and also the employees section, sorry, not employees, and workflow, this financial planning section here. So if you click on sales manager and simply click on send invite, once you have added them or accept the invitation, you can find them on this list where you can find the edit button just like this, where you will be able to view all permissions. Simply click on it, and from here you can manage the access from here. You can delete any access from here. You can find the limits of access. So if you want to give some access, you can add some access if you want. So like here, if you want to get access all of this, so you can give the access. And also if you don't want it to have that person or any access, then you can also remove it, or the permission you can remove it. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.